Hello friends, this is Neha here and today I'll tell you how to integrate InstaMojo payment gateway in WordPress website. So you can see this is my checkout page, and when we will go down, here we can see two payment gateways. The first one is direct bank transfer and the second one is cash on delivery. So how we will add InstaMojo payment gateway here? For that there are two methods. First, you can get the payment link from your InstaMojo account, and the second one, you can install plugins from your WordPress website. So today I'll show you both the methods. So let's start with the first method. For that we need to log in to our WordPress website. So let's log in. It's very simple to do. We can do it easily. So let us first log in. So now we are here. Just go to cart flows. What we need to do, we need to just go to the editing section of our checkout page. I'm choosing this one. So this is our checkout page. Let's click on edit and then click on, here we will get the option, click on edit with Elementor. So we will reach to our editing section of checkout page. So this is our editing section. So let's go down, and to add InstaMojo as a payment gateway, what we need to just add a new section and go here, search for HTML. So here it is, just drag it here. Now we need this HTML code. For that we need to go to the dashboard of our InstaMojo account. So let's go to the dashboard. So this is our dashboard of InstaMojo account. Here you can see the option of create payment link. Click on this, and here you have two options, quick link and smart link. I'm creating quick link. So let me create this sanitizing machine, and I'm putting the amount 3999 and just create. So now you can see this is the link. As we need button on our website, so just click on this, use as pay button on website. So now you can edit everything here. I'm just writing pay via InstaMojo, and you can change its color, size, everything. And this is the HTML code which we need. What we need to just copy this and just paste it in the editing section. Here just paste it and we are done. You can see pay via InstaMojo, its link is here. So let's click on update and let's see whether it's working or not. So let's preview it. So let's go down and see whether it's, yes, it's here. When you will click on this, you will get the option here. So it's very easy to generate. Now let's go to the second method. So for that we need to go to our dashboard. Okay. Now I'll tell you the second way how to get InstaMojo payment gateway. For this we need to install plugins. So let's go to plugins, add new, and here search for InstaMojo for WooCommerce, and you will get it here. Now click on install now. If you don't have WooCommerce, then install WooCommerce first. As I've already installed WooCommerce, that's why I'm not installing it here now. And now it's time to activate InstaMojo for WooCommerce. So now activate it. Once you activate it here, then you need to, now it's activated, you need to go to WooCommerce and here go to settings, and in the settings go to payments. When you scroll down, you will see InstaMojo gateway is coming here. So just enable it and go to setup. When you will come here, you will see they are asking about client ID and client secret. So we need to get this. So we will get this from our InstaMojo account. So let's go to our InstaMojo. So we were here. Let's go back to dashboard. So when you will come here, you will see API and plugins. Go to API and plugins, scroll down. From here you can generate credentials, so create new credentials. So go to here, choose a platform. Here it's not coming WooCommerce or WordPress as I've already created. So when you will go here, you will see WooCommerce and WordPress, so choose that, and when you will click on generate credentials, you will get this, your client ID and client secret. Then what you need to do, just copy this and go back to your editing section, and here just paste it, and here just again copy the client secret, go back, just copy this and again go back and just paste it, save changes. Okay, when you will save this, you can see it here. And now let's go to our checkout page and see whether it's activated or not. So we were here, let's preview it and let's go down, and now you can see InstaMojo payment gateway is coming here. So now your customer can pay from InstaMojo here. So it's very simple to do, we can easily do it. Hope guys this video will help you, and if you find this video helpful, then please like the video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.